Hello and welcome to IT Voice, your one stop for all things tech. I'm Rini Gupta, bringing you the latest from the world of technology. From cutting edge product launches to breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, we've got it all covered. So, our lead story is about PM Modi to inaugurate SEMICON India 2025, showcasing semiconductor innovation. Dell Technologies and NVIDIA report India as a front-runner in APAC AI adoption. Enterprises use AI, Gen-AI, and ML to boost efficiency, customer experience, and innovation. Talent gaps and integration challenges drive reliance on tech partners. Key industries include banking, healthcare, retail, and manufacturing, with strategic deployments ensuring measurable ROI. Dell Asus Republic of Gamers launched the ROG Matrix GeForce RTX 5090 30th Anniversary Edition at Gamescom, celebrating 30 years of ROG innovation. The card features a hybrid copper-aluminum heatsink, full copper vapor chamber, liquid metal thermal compound, quad fan design, and 0 dB cooling for optimal thermals and acoustics. With up to 800 W power delivery, a 3-ounce copper PCB, memory defroster for LN2 overclocking, and GPU Tweak 3 software, it offers extreme performance and monitoring. The limited edition RTX 5090 blends heritage-inspired design with cutting-edge overclocking and gaming capabilities. Asus Meta will unveil its next generation smart wearables at the Connect conference, including Hypernova smart glasses and a hand controlled wristband. Hypernova features a small color display in the right lens, relaying notifications within a 20-degree field of view, and will retail around $800 in collaboration with EssilorLuxottica. The wristband uses SEMG sensors to interpret hand movements, similar to Apple Vision Pro, enabling control of the glasses. Developers are invited to test both devices and build generative AI apps, marking Meta's push toward a functional AR wearable ecosystem. Google is urging employees to adopt AI in daily work, warning that those who resist risk being left behind as rivals advance faster. CEO Sundar Pichai emphasized at an all-hands meeting that AI is now essential for productivity and competitiveness, noting engineers' hours have already risen 10% with internal AI tools. Google has launched initiatives like AI Savvy Google and coding assistant Cider, while also acquiring Windsurf for 2.4 billion to strengthen AI talent. Similar mandates from Microsoft, Amazon, and Meta highlight AI's growing inevitability across tech giants. Google Apple is in early talks with Google to use its Gemini AI to revamp Siri ahead of the iPhone 17 launch, Bloomberg reports. The discussions aim to create a custom AI model for Apple's private cloud compute, alongside tests of in-house models and other providers like OpenAI and Anthropic. The upgraded Siri, part of Apple Intelligence, promises advanced personalization and adaptive AI capabilities. While no deal is finalized, the next generation assistant may launch around spring 2026, reflecting Apple's cautious approach to AI innovation and user data security. Apple Google CEO Sundar Pichai announced free access to VO3, the company's AI-powered video creation platform, this weekend for all users. Normally part of the AI Pro subscription, VO3 enables cinematic quality video generation with synchronized audio, realistic physics, and rich visuals using text prompts. The tool, including India's fast-optimized version, works on Android and iOS via the Gemini app. Google aims to encourage creativity, gather user feedback, and showcase VO3's capabilities, making it a versatile solution for animated shorts, storyboards, and game cutscenes. AI tool of the day, Runway Gen-3. Runway Gen-3 is one of the most advanced AI video generation tools, allowing creators to turn text prompts into high-quality cinematic videos. With features like realistic motion, dynamic camera control, and smooth transitions, it's perfect for filmmakers, marketers, and content creators looking to produce professional-grade videos without expensive equipment. Whether for ads, short films, or creative storytelling, Runway Gen-3 brings imagination to life. AI So, our lead story is about PM Modi to inaugurate SEMICON India 2025, showcasing semiconductor innovation. The fourth edition of SEMICON India 2025 will be inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on September 2nd at Yashobhoomi, New Delhi, highlighting India's rise as a global semiconductor powerhouse. The event will host 350 exhibitors, 15,000 plus visitors, and key industry leaders from companies like IBM, ASML, Micron, and Tata Electronics. Under the theme, Building the Next Semiconductor Powerhouse, SEMICON India 2025 will feature international roundtables, panel discussions, and workforce development initiatives, promoting innovations in fabs, advanced packaging, AI, and startups, while driving collaboration, sustainability, and India's Atmanirbhar Bharat semiconductor vision. That's it for today's bulletin. We'll be back tomorrow with more insights and another AI tool to supercharge your digital life. Stay sharp, stay ahead. This is Rini Gupta signing off from IT Voice.